In this Incognito Traffic Formula with AI review, I'm going to be showing you a system that Andrew's been using in order to turn his Facebook friends into $10,000 without spending a penny on ads. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Incognito Traffic Formula with AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, unlock the Facebook goldmine with AI. Your friends are more valuable than you think. How I turned Facebook friends into $10,000 without spending a penny on ads. The no BS AI method to flood your offers with eager buyers. And of course, this is going to be something, if you've got a Facebook account and you're selling to your family members, probably don't want to do that, but you can set up an account and sell to people as well. He teaches you actually how to do that on Facebook and how to actually monetize that. And he's got a walkthrough where he shows you how to do this, the secret sauce, who this is for, and he shows you exactly how to use this method using AI. He's got some bonuses in here as well. How to create attractive lead magnets with ChatGPT, 7 ways to make $10,000, how to bulk create YouTube shorts using ChatGPT and Canva, 6 fundamental rules to writing YouTube scripts with ChatGPT. All these extra things here going along with this training, and it's a very low one-time price. So I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video of him explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the upgrades.
You know, you've been lied to, bamboozled, and led astray by so-called Facebook marketing experts. You've thrown your hard-earned cash into the Facebook ads abyss, hoping for a return, only to watch your ROI plummet like a rock. But listen up, because I've got some news that's gonna knock your socks off. You've been played. It's not your fault. The game is rigged, but I'm about to give you the cheat codes. You see, there's a hidden treasure map, a secret formula that can turn your Facebook account into a virtual ATM. And I'm not talking about some rehashed nonsense you've seen 1,000 times. This is groundbreaking, revolutionary stuff. Why am I sharing this? Simple. I've made my money. I've cracked the code, and now it's time to give back. I want to level the playing field and give you the same fighting chance that I had. Now, let's talk proof. I've used this formula to turn Facebook friends into $10,000 without spending a single penny on ads. That's right, zero ad spend, zero gimmicks, just cold, hard cash. And I'm so confident this will work for you, I'm offering a money-back guarantee. That's how sure I am that this is the real deal. Before we go any further, let's get one thing straight. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a proven, battle-tested formula that's not for the faint of heart. It's for serious entrepreneurs who are ready to roll up their sleeves and get their hands dirty. You've been told you need to spend money to make money, especially on Facebook ads. That's the big lie. What if I told you that you could bypass the ad spend, skip the middleman, and go straight to the source? Your Facebook friends list is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. I can't reveal the secret sauce here, but what I can tell you is that this formula involves a unique approach to Facebook that you've never seen before. It's so powerful it can turn even the most skeptical prospects into eager buyers. Who is this for? Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a complete newbie, this formula will give you the tools you need to succeed. It's for anyone who's tired of the status quo, fed up with empty promises, and the endless cycle of ad spend. What you'll get is insider knowledge that's not available anywhere else. Step-by-step guidance from someone who's been in the trenches. A blueprint for success that you can start implementing immediately. The risk is on me. Enroll in the masterclass, and if you don't see results within 14 days, you get a full refund. No questions asked. That's how much faith I have in this system. Every day you hesitate is a day you're leaving money on the table. Others are acting, tapping into this goldmine, and reaping the rewards. Don't get left behind. The time to act is now. This offer won't last forever. I'm planning to close the doors soon to keep this information exclusive. So if you're serious about changing your life, you need to act fast. So here we are, at the crossroads. One path leads to more of the same, wasted money, lost time, and endless frustration. The other path? That leads to a treasure trove of untapped potential, a gold mine that's just waiting for you to stake your claim. This is it. Your last chance to get in on the ground floor of something truly revolutionary. Don't waste another second. Click the button below to enroll in the Incognito Traffic Formula Masterclass. Your future self will thank you.
Okay, so we're back. So after you purchase, you'll have access to this training. Inside this training, he walks you through the entire process and shows you exactly how this whole thing works, step by step, so that nothing is kind of hidden. He walks you through, explains everything to you, so you know exactly how to implement this method. Now, there are multiple upgrades. First one here is the Ghost Offer method with AI, a 3-step formula that's turning average Joes into sales juggernauts overnight. So this is just an extra way of being able to sell, being able to make money. You can see all the different sales that he's been able to get with his bots here. His whole thing is using AI to sell for him, and it looks like it's a one-time price of $37. Then they've got the Impulse Offer with AI, fastest way to turn prospects into paying customers. So this is the Impulse Offer formula. This one is $47. Then you're going to get offered another one here, how to write blind sales letters that convert like crazy, even if you're not a copywriter. So they show you how to write a sales letter that will sell. That's $47. Then he's got another one here. Don't let a lack of traffic list your website hold you back. Grow a verified subscriber list with LDO Tech. So this looks like another way of building a list. This is $27 for this one. And then you can become a part of his AIpreneur VIP club here. This one is, if I can find the price for you, free. Looks like it gives you this one free. Free for the first 14 days, and then it's $37 per month. So you can try that out for free, and then it's up to you how you want to do that. So all these O2s are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Incognito Traffic Formula with AI, and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, if you're going to take your normal Facebook friend and start messaging them with offers, it's probably not a good thing. You want to make sure that you're only offering to people that are on your kind of like affiliate marketing list or your offer list that you're going to. So there's ways of doing that on Facebook, and Andrew shows that inside this course. What do I like about this? I think it's fine using Facebook as a traffic method. I've used it before as well. It's a great way of getting traffic, especially if you know what you're doing and you're targeting the right kind of people. If this is something that you'd like to do and you don't want to spend money on traffic, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Incognito Traffic Formula with AI review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.